back, or welcome if you're new here. This is the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. And on my channel, I share home decor, my love of tablescapes. Cleaning, I'm talking about deep cleaning. And you know I throw down in the Priceless Pearl Life kitchen. I share vlogs and shopping hauls. And every now and then, I'm talking every now and then, I share a quick DIY. So I found this inexpensive vase at a local antique resale store for only $4.50. I love the shape of the vase. I love the texture, and I thought the green simply wasn't doing it justice. So my solution, a can of inexpensive white spray paint. Just keep watching. I really believe that I'm single-handedly keeping that color play spray paint from Walmart in business. So it's the next morning, and I'm pulling out some beautiful violet, deep purple florals. So let's see how this arrangement comes out. Just keep watching. If you're new here, welcome, and thanks so much for stopping by the channel on today. But please don't be a stranger. Consider joining my Priceless YouTube family by hitting that subscription and hitting that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. I would love to have you join right now. So I absolutely love the way this vase transformation and floral arrangement turned out. My florals came from Hobby Lobby and Dollar General. But you have to come back tomorrow to see where this vase ends up in my home. So I'll see you 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe. See you tomorrow.